Selling digital products is one of the best ways that you can make passive income and one of the best ways to get into e-commerce because digital products have infinite inventory. You can sell it an unlimited amount of times, and usually it has low upfront costs to be able to get started. But the thing is, you have to deliver 100% value for the people who are putting money in. People putting money in absolutely have to get value out or it's not legit. A lot of people think that online courses are the best way to make money online and to sell digital products, and I somewhat disagree because to be able to build an online course, you actually have to have skill, experience, and expertise that is proven over a long period of time, and that's not accessible for most people, and that's why there are a lot of really poor quality info products out there. What I like and what I think about digital products is I think that artists and creative people make the best digital products out of anybody, because I think that when we look at stock photo websites, when we look at music that we want to buy, like that's something that we are making a very conscious decision about when it comes to our value, and it's an experience. So I think things that deliver on experiences or things that create a resource that you can use over and over again, like a template, are actually one of the best ways to get into digital products. So that's things like sound effects, animations, graphics, and the barrier to entry on that is skill. But skill for creative people is acquired through effort and patience and discipline. One of the biggest complaints I get from people is that they don't think they can do any of this passive income stuff, any make money online, selling products, any of it, because they don't have a large audience. And because I'm somebody who has a large audience, they ignore the fact that I started from zero and I had to build that audience over time, and I had to make that a priority. I had to be able to create value for people, and I had to be able to build a reputation. If you think you're going to make money with little or no effort, or without building a reputation and building trust, then you're not doing it with a pure motive to begin with. Have the discipline and patience to be able to realize that you need to build those relationships, or you need to build up your skills, and then that's gonna be a reason that you get traffic. There are probably too many people that wanna make money or get attention being mediocre, and that's why they fail. I would say that as harsh as it is, it's probably fair. In order to sell online products, you need an actual place to host them and to put them. If you are going to sell online courses or a membership or something like that as a digital product, the system that I use is called Kajabi. I've been using that for I think 3 years now, and I still pay for it, so it's not sponsored. The reason I use it is just because it's very simple to use, and because when I needed to grow my team, it was easy to train people how to be able to do things in the back end for me. And if you want something even more affordable than that, right now, you can use Sellfy, or you can use Teespring. Teespring has started allowing people to sell digital products as well. One of the things that I'm actually about to do for my new template store is I'm actually using Shopify. So there are a lot of different options. You just have to figure out which one fits your budget. But the thing is, you're either going to save money or you're going to save frustration and time. And so you have to decide what's your priority. For me, I'm in a really healthy position to where for me, frustration and time is infinitely more valuable to me than saving a few dollars. So I invest in that because time is the thing I refuse to keep giving up when I don't have to. I'd rather give up money than give up time. A lot of people, when it comes to selling digital products, they focus on not having an audience and they focus on organic traffic and wanting to have that big audience. But the reality is that advertising is a legitimate way to get traffic. Paid traffic can be legitimate and it can be targeted, and it can be worth it if you are charging enough for your products to justify putting some advertising out there. A lot of people also don't look into organic traffic through influencer marketing even when they have a small budget. If I had a print on demand product that I really wanted to move, like a t-shirt or a hoodie, I would even consider, even if I don't pay for an influencer brand deal, I would find 10 influencers that have PO boxes and I think would really like it and would want to wear it, and I would just ship some of my product to them, and maybe is a possibility that it shows up in some of their content, and then I get some recognition for my brand and some traffic off of that. I think that a lot of people fail to be creative when it comes to e-commerce and selling online and doing these things, and that they're just looking for some like rudimentary like formula, they're looking for some hack, they're looking for something that has nothing to do with being creative and thinking out of the box, and then they're wondering why they're not getting results. Really hard to stand out when you're doing generic stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more tips on making money online, click the playlist in the info card or in the description down below, or watch the next video up here on the screen. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you on the next one.